Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on updating the BookChoix WordPress theme. In this video, we'll guide you through 3 methods to update your theme using CPanel, the FTP method, and the Envato Market plugin. Let's begin. Before we dive into the first method, make sure you download the latest version of the BookChoix theme from your Theme Forest account. If you download all files and documentation, you will need to unzip it and find the installable theme zip file inside it named BookChoix WordPress theme. If you downloaded the installable WordPress file only, there's nothing else you need to do. Just leave it as it is. Now let's look at the first method, updating the BookChoix theme via CPanel. Log in to the control panel of your website. Locate and click on File Manager. You'll see a folder structure similar to this. If WordPress is installed in the root folder, you'll find the WordPress files there. If it's installed inside a folder like BookChoix, open it to access the files. Next, locate the BookChoix folder under Themes folder. Locate the BookChoix theme folder, select it, and delete it. Don't worry, deleting the theme folder won't affect your website contents unless you switch the theme in the WordPress admin dashboard. Now, upload the latest version of the theme zip file that you downloaded earlier. Once the upload is complete, extract the zip file. This will create a new folder named BookChoix, containing the latest theme files. Finally, delete the zip file as it's no longer needed. And just like that, your BookChoix theme has been updated successfully. The second method is updating the BookChoix theme using FTP. Before proceeding, extract the BookChoix WordPress theme.zip folder on your local computer. This will give you a folder named BookChoix, containing the latest theme files. Download and install an FTP client, such as FileZilla, and log in to your website using your FTP credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your WordPress installation directory. Go to the WP Content folder, then Themes, and find the BookChoix folder. Open it to view the current theme files. On your local computer, open the extracted BookChoix theme folder. Select all the files inside and upload them to the WP Content Themes.BookChoix directory on your website. During the upload, ensure you overwrite the existing files. This will replace the old theme files with the new ones. Once the upload is complete, the BookChoix theme has been successfully updated using FTP. The third method is using the Envato Market plugin. This plugin allows customers to receive updates for premium themes and plugins purchased through Envato Market. First, download the Envato Market plugin zip file navigate to Plugins, Add New, click Upload Plugin, and upload the envatomarket.zip file. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. After activation, visit the new Envato Market menu item. Create an API token on your ThemeForest account by clicking the link under the Settings, Getting Started section. Enter your ThemeForest login details. Choose a token name as you wish. Leave the default settings as they are and click Create Token. Copy the generated token key and paste it into the token text box in the plugin settings. Click Save Changes. Now, navigate to the Themes tab. Find the BookChoix theme and click the Update Available link if an update is available. The theme will update automatically in the background. And don't forget to update the BookChoix Core plugin whenever an update is available. Follow our tutorial for updating the core plugin to ensure compatibility. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials.